Ha! And now we have sound. Hi, this Logos, how you doing? And well, everyone, hi, how you doing? Because well, this is my new setup. I am now having a new studio. In that new studio, I've been trying to change a whole lot of things. Really, a whole lot of things had to change here. Because I wanted better audio, because I wanted better video, and I wanted to be able to yeah, to show you, my viewers, more things than I did before. So for example, if I wanted to show you things from the side plane, well, it's now possible. I can now show you things from the side or from above, as a matter of fact. So all kind of things that are now possible, and yeah, which I'm very happy about. But also things like this. So like, hi Brian Russo, how you doing? Things like getting the chat in the screen, so yeah, so that we can do things with that as well. All kinds of things that I really had to set up. Yeah, it's a replacement controller. Yep, indeed. And this replacement controller is great because now the printer or the laser engraver works again. So yeah, I was really busy changing everything here, and well, I think I pretty much succeeded in doing everything. Now in all screens I will be able to change monitors or change camera angles. I will be able to have a discussion about 3D printing or a discussion about lasers. But I think the open screen and the chat screen are going to be the most used screens. So a lot of things to come. There are also new cameras coming, so I'm working with these cameras now, which are 1080p cameras, but they will change into 4K cameras, and then I will have the ability to make crops and digital zooms and that kind of things as well. So yeah, I'm really wondering what you guys think of this, and yeah, how do you like it? I sometimes look at the other screen, which is over here, because there I'm able to see how many viewers are watching, etc, etc. So I can now see that there are 4 viewers watching at this moment. Yeah, this is also something that I wanted to change. I've been away for quite a while. For a few months I haven't been really uploading things, and this was all because of the situation in the house. We had to do a lot of things to make things change in the house. We had to change rooms, we had to change where we lived in the house. Now we still have to change the kitchen and well, the other studio, because there is another studio as well. In this room, for example, there is only one 3D printer standing on my table, but yeah, I don't have any other things here. So I was extremely busy in the last few months trying to set this all up. But it came with a downside, and that is that my view cycles on YouTube went downhill, really downhill, because well, for some reason, if you don't post a lot, then people don't watch a lot. So this is what happened, and yeah, but I'm happy to be back. So maybe some of you want to talk about 3D printing. And ask 3D printing questions, or maybe one of you want to talk about laser questions. Just kidding, but yeah, I'm pretty proud at it. It was a lot of work to get this. So what have you guys been doing lately? Please let me know in the comments. And in the meanwhile, I hope my audio is good as well, because my audio was having a stupid clicking sound. But yeah, I think the clicking sound is gone now. At least when I listen at my headphones, then I don't hear the audio clicking sound. Hey, Bente Brunsveld, how you doing? Not you haven't been sending out with transmitting live. Well, doesn't matter. But have you been printing lately? And also for the others, have you been printing lately? Because, well, that's what this channel is all about. 3D printing and that kind of things. So, but yeah, I'm really curious to know how the audio is, because I think the audio must be okay now. I've been working on it with my headphones on to get it right, and yeah, I hope it is now. Audio is good, great. Thanks, Brian, because I can't hear it at this moment, or I have to put on my headphones, but I don't think that's nice while you're in the stream. Now, and in the meanwhile, I've been printing a few things for the studio downstairs. Those are the things that I use to have boxes on my cupboards. So I've been doing that as well here in this room, and yeah, I think they came out pretty good. I also have the Y-axis roller that I still have to install for the laser engraver, and that has to be installed here. And there is no more popping. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, that was really something I couldn't find out what happened. For those who don't know, there was a popping sound in my audio, but the strange thing was it only was in my transmitted audio, because what I recorded on OBS didn't have that popping sound. So only on my recorded audio in the stream this popping sound was. And it turned out that there was a new version of OBS which solved the whole problem. So I had to upgrade my OBS software. Yeah, that's what I had to do. So yeah, that was. How do you guys like my? Yeah, it's over there. I'm pointing at the wrong direction. How do you guys like my my chat window? It's also something that I made, and I did this with a Stream Deck where I can switch and a lot of things. So yeah, let me get this one real quick, because the new video on my channel will be about this nifty little machine. Here it is, and I have to get this out of the way. This is the laser engraver, laser cutter that I'm working on to repair, and I say I'm be working on, but the fact is that it's already repaired. I've done that and I've made a video about it. That video I have to edit, and then well, then I can show you guys what I did. And well, everything had to do with replacing that board that is over here in the machine. And when I replaced that, well, everything was fine again. It turned out that the stepper driver on this board was broken. So I had to replace the whole board because I don't have a reflow station. So I'm not able to change things on the board itself, and therefore I had to really replace the board. If I would have had a reflow oven, then I maybe could have changed the stepper driver itself, but yeah, I don't have that kind of things, and really these parts are small. They are really small. For some reason I just can't find the board now. I must have put it away someplace where I don't see it anymore while I had it in my hands. It's really strange. Now I had it in my hands, I've lost it. But yeah, I had to change things, and then it went okay. What I'm also going to do, which I don't have here, but I've made a nice little thing here on top for the laser. so that there will be a fan, and it will give the machine an air assist. So the laser will then have on this side, on the bottom, an air assist, and therefore you can work with this laser with more power, because the air assist blows away the the smoke that is underneath the laser. Now, would a roller axis be responsible for the damage the old stepper driver? I don't know yet. It might have been, and it's also possible that I had a static electric shock created by touching the wrong parts with my hands. It could be possible. I don't think so, and therefore I'm going to do a little research first on the y-axis rotary roller, because I want to make sure that that thing isn't faulty. So I have to measure it with my oscilloscope and see if everything is okay with that machine, and if it's okay, then I will connect it again and we'll try it again. But if it isn't, then we have to do something differently and first repair that y-axis rotary roller. I'm pointing at it, but you of course can't see it. So let's get it. Because this is the y-axis rotary roller, and this is the machine that I want to connect to this laser engraver, because then I will be able to engrave things like glasses, mugs, that kind of things. So that would be really nice to have and to work with. But first I want to check if there is not something wrong with this stepper motor, maybe asking too much current, maybe something different, I don't know. But first we have to try this out before I do something else. So I have to program an Arduino with another stepper driver and see if this works. And while measuring on it, of course, to see if everything is work. Good plan. At least compare the resistance of the phases in the other. I have to compare them. That's one of the things I want to know. Also, I want to know if maybe these stepper drivers are not capable of giving a high enough current, because this is going pretty. How you say it? You need a lot of force to rotate it, and this is not because the belts are too strong. It's really something. I think there might be something wrong with the stepper motor, but I have other stepper motors as well, so that won't be a problem. I can fix it for sure, but I want to know what it is. At least I know that on the board of the laser engraver, the controller, the stepper controller was burned out, and it had its direction pin always high. So that is something that happened with this thing. Now, that said, this is what the channel is going to look like in the future, and my plans are that I will be live streaming more often. I think I will do it once every 2 weeks, always try to do it on a Saturday. Once every 2 weeks, and then I will have maybe the questions that my viewers gave me in the last 2 weeks, and comment on them, and also give that viewers the possibility to be live in the stream, so that they can that we can talk about the things they are asking. Because sometimes when you get a question on your YouTube channel, that question alone raises more questions than it gives answers, and therefore I think it's a very nice thing to be able to answer those questions in a live chat, in a live session, and maybe show things. So if someone has a question about software, well, start up the software and let's do it, and let's see what's going wrong. So this is the direction the stream is going, and also the channel is going. And also, of course, I want to make more content for this channel, which will be shot here in this studio, but also in my other studio that I have There are two studios, one is downstairs and this one is upstairs. And in the downstairs studio we have all most of the 3D printers. So yeah, there I can do everything with the printers, but there will be yeah, much more noise. Hey Mr. Maker, hoi hoi, how you doing? So yeah, in that other studio there will be lots more noise, and this studio is more silent, and therefore this is, I think, the best studio for live streaming and small things that I can do on the table here and show you from above or from the side. While the other studio is more for showing the printers, that kind of things. So yeah, this is it. This was my last stream I made without really having a subject to talk about. The next live stream will really be about a subject and will be announced beforehand on my here they are, Twitters, and maybe with a photo also on my Instagrams. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do, and it would be nice if you follow me there. And then yeah, then I've made my screens all with a purpose, so we can do nice things then. Hey, thanks for watching everyone. Hey, audio is out of sync. Okay, this is something I have to step into. It's good, I was going to stop this stream, but because you bring this on, I'm working with the ATEM. And my audio at this moment is coming from channel 1. So there should not be a audio sync problem. But I've noticed that I've had this audio problem now a few times. So I'm going to find out what that problem is as well. But thank you for noticing, thank you for bringing it up, because then there is something wrong which I still haven't found out. Because the audio is coming in from that channel 1 directly from the camera, or directly, it's coming from this microphone, but it's connected directly to that camera, so it's a bit strange that it's out of sync. This is something for the next video. Thank you for watching all, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye!